In the last 30 days alone, this channel generated over $8,000 and crossed more than 6 million views with just 11 videos. No large team, no complex production pipeline. I didn't guess how this worked. I copied the entire strategy step by step. But before breaking anything down, you need to see the proof for yourself. 1.7 million views, 1.6 million, 1.1 million, back to back, on a channel with only a handful of uploads. Then it got more interesting. I found another channel doing the same thing, same niche, same style, same thumbnails, performing even better. In this video, I'll walk you through the exact blueprint behind these results and show how the same type of videos can be created in under 3 hours using free AI tools. Don't skip. One small detail here changes everything. Understanding the niche first. Before building anything, it's important to clearly understand what this niche actually is. These channels focus on mythical creatures and monsters that are claimed to have existed in the real world, not fictional fairy tales. The key difference is the promise being made to the viewer. Instead of telling a fantasy story, these videos suggest that legendary creatures may have real scientific explanations based on fossils, historical records, or eyewitness accounts. That framing instantly makes the content more believable and engaging. The niche works because it sits at the intersection of mystery, science, and history. Viewers feel like they're learning something hidden or forgotten, which naturally increases watch time and curiosity throughout the video. Why the angle matters more than the topic. The topic alone is not what makes these videos perform so well. The real power lies in the angle. If you look closely at the most successful thumbnails and titles, they all follow a similar structure: myths versus reality. This contrast creates an instant curiosity gap. The viewer feels compelled to click because they want to know whether the creature is real or fake. It's not about scaring the audience or shocking them. It's about challenging what they think they know. This angle turns passive viewers into active ones because they're mentally invested in finding the answer. Without this framing, the same topic would struggle to stand out. Setting up the channel identity. Once the niche and angle are clear, the next step is setting up the channel itself. This includes choosing a name and basic branding, but it doesn't require overthinking. Instead of spending hours brainstorming, a detailed prompt can be used to generate multiple relevant channel name ideas instantly. The same approach applies to creating a logo. With the right prompt, an AI image generator can produce clean, professional-looking logos in minutes. While branding alone doesn't drive views, it helps establish consistency and credibility. A clear identity makes the channel feel intentional rather than random, which matters when viewers decide whether to trust and subscribe. Creating viral titles with structure titles are one of the most important factors in getting initial clicks. When analyzing competing channels, a clear pattern appears. They reuse the same core sentence structure across multiple videos. Instead of guessing, the process here is to replicate that structure intentionally. By instructing AI to act as a YouTube SEO expert within this exact niche, titles can be generated that follow proven formats. This ensures every video starts with a strong hook. The goal isn't creativity for its own sake, it's consistency. When titles follow a familiar but intriguing pattern, viewers are more likely to click, especially if they've engaged with similar videos before. Building the script as a production blueprint. The script is not just narration, it's the foundation of the entire video. Instead of writing a simple story, the script is generated as a full production blueprint. This includes the spoken narration as well as detailed instructions for visuals. Each section of the script corresponds to a specific scene, with clear descriptions of what should appear on screen. Supporting visuals such as old maps, historical footage, or documentary-style references are also included. This approach removes confusion during editing and ensures the visuals always support the story. A well-structured script keeps pacing tight and prevents retention from dropping halfway through the video. Generating high-quality creature images. With the script ready, the next step is creating the visuals. The main focus here is generating high-quality images of the creatures described in the video. The key is using detailed prompts that emphasize realism, texture, and cinematic lighting. The specific tool used matters less than the prompt itself. With the right instructions, even free image generators can produce results that look professional. Each creature image is generated individually to maintain consistency. These visuals form the backbone of the video and must feel believable, even if the subject itself is controversial or mysterious. Turning images into motion. Video static images alone are not enough to hold attention for long periods. To keep viewers engaged, images are converted into short motion clips using image-to-video tools. These tools add subtle camera movement, such as pans or zooms, which makes the visuals feel alive. Each clip is generated using prompts that match the original image description, ensuring consistency in style. In addition to the main visuals, extra supporting clips are generated to use as B-roll. Having more footage than needed makes editing easier and prevents repetition, which is a common reason viewers stop watching. Creating a natural voiceover. A strong documentary relies heavily on narration. Instead of recording manually, a high-quality text-to-speech tool is used to generate a realistic voiceover. The script is pasted in, and punctuation is adjusted to control pacing and emotion. The goal is a calm, confident tone that sounds informative rather than dramatic. Once generated, the audio is reviewed carefully and regenerated if needed. This step saves a significant amount of time while still producing professional results. A natural voice keeps viewers listening longer, which directly impacts retention and overall video performance. Editing for retention and flow editing is where everything comes together. The voiceover is placed first and acts as the anchor for the entire timeline. All pauses and silent gaps are removed to maintain momentum. Visuals are then synced closely to the narration, changing frequently to keep the viewer's brain engaged. Additional clips and images are layered in where appropriate to add variety. Simple effects, such as slight camera movement or grain, help give the video a documentary feel. The goal isn't flashy editing, but steady visual progression that supports the story without overwhelming it. Using psychological hooks. During editing, certain editing techniques are used specifically to increase retention. One example is teasing multiple creatures early in the video without fully revealing them. Blurring or partially hiding visuals creates anticipation and encourages viewers to stay until the end. Text callouts and labels are added when specific features are mentioned, guiding the viewer's attention. Captions are also included as they significantly improve watch time. These small psychological triggers may seem subtle, but together they make a major difference in how long viewers stay engaged with the video. Designing high-click thumbnails. Even the best video won't perform if nobody clicks on it. Thumbnails act as the final gatekeeper. Successful channels in this niche follow a very specific thumbnail formula that emphasizes contrast and curiosity. Instead of designing manually, a single thumbnail prompt can be used to recreate this style instantly using an image generator. This ensures visual consistency and saves time. A strong thumbnail paired with a proven title dramatically increases the chances of YouTube testing the video with a wider audience, which is essential for growth. Final focus on execution. At this point, everything needed to succeed in this niche has been covered, from niche selection and scripting to visuals, editing, and thumbnails. The remaining factor is execution. Systems like this remove guesswork, but they still require consistency and discipline. Results don't come from watching tutorials, they come from applying what you've learned repeatedly. When the process is followed correctly, performance becomes predictable. The difference between creators who succeed and those who don't is rarely knowledge, it's action. If this breakdown helped you understand the process more clearly, take a moment to support the video by liking it and sharing it with someone who could benefit from it. These small actions help content like this reach more people. And if you want to see more practical, step-by-step breakdowns focused on systems rather than hype, consider subscribing so you don't miss future videos. Everything covered here works best when applied consistently. So revisit the steps, take action, and focus on execution. The results come from doing, not just watching.